For the leading organizational change artifact, the artifact that I selected to analyze and look at was my Leadership Lab number 3 notebook. Much like the Changemaker journals and Creative Courage, this is a reflective piece that really pointed me towards human-centric leadership focused on organizational change. When I was looking back through my assignments, this one I really felt like helped me personally to focus in on what kind of leader was I and what kind of leader did I want to grow to become more. And if there were certain pieces of different leadership styles that I wanted to add within my leadership self. So when I was looking back at this, I was very impressed with my ability to be reflective. And I noticed that in my personal leadership style, I tend to appreciate being led in a more participative style, which I think is the kind of leader that I lean most towards. However, I do note that I was wanting to grow to be more autocratic in my leadership style. So I thought that was interesting. And I did think that this task allowed me to demonstrate empathy throughout my writing and my reflection. One of the things that I noted personally was that being authentic and showing you care is the best thing that a leader can do. I believe that this is impactful because with the other models, you can forget to care about the person over the system. And when you value employees and staff and see them as people with talents, it can cause growth authentically within the system. So I do think that this was really a great example of my focus on organizational change. As well as just showing evidence of my growth as a leader, because this is something that I worked really hard to take this reflection piece and kind of grow personally. And I do see myself as more of an autocratic leader at this point, though I am still that participative leader because that is just my personality. However, being more aware of the different types of leadership out there, I think is really important in just being able to be reflective and demonstrate that empathy towards those I work with. Thank you.